Which of these triangles has three sides of the same length? Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, or right triangle? Okay, correct answer A, B, C, or D. Correct answer is equilateral triangle. Which device removes the pilot from an aircraft cockpit in an emergency? Expulsion chair, thruster stall, propulsion bench, or ejector seat? D. Ejector seat. Final answer. Which of these large flightless birds is native to Australia? Emu, ostrich, kiwi, or emperor penguin? A. Emu. Final answer. In astronomy, which of these can be described as total or partial? Meteor shower, eclipse, aurora, or galaxy? B. Eclipse. Final answer. Which of these stationary items is found on the back of a pencil? Eraser, ruler, book, or chalk? A. Eraser. Final answer. Which of these is the name for a moving staircase? Monorail, escargot, elevator, or escalator? D. Escalator. Final answer. Astigmatism is a condition that affects which part of the body? Hand, stomach, eye, or inner ear? C. Eye. Final answer. Cairo is the capital city of which country? Egypt, Turkey, Ethiopia, or Yemen? A. Egypt. Final answer. Which word goes before eel, shock, and guitar to make well-known phrases? Gas, nuclear, paraffin, or electric? D. Electric. Final answer. Which of these is a scientific name for alcohol? Hexose, benzene, ethanol, or calcite? 50-50. Computer, please take away 2 of the wrong answers. Ethanol or calcite? C. Ethanol. Final answer. Big rig is a common nickname for which of these vehicles? Cruise ship, 18-wheel vehicle, minivan, or limousine? B. 18-wheel vehicle. Final answer. Which of these famous literary names is not a pseudonym? Lewis Carroll, Ernest Hemingway, George Orwell, or Mark Twain? B. Ernest Hemingway. Final answer. Which of these organizational companies has a blue background and 12 gold stars? United Nations, Amnesty International, European Union, or Sea Shepherd? C. European Union. Final answer. Victor Lustig was a con artist famous for selling which of these famous landmarks to scrap dealers? Twice in the 1920s posing as a government official. Statue of Liberty, Golden Gate Bridge, Eiffel Tower, or Sagrada Familia? C. Eiffel Tower. Final answer. What is the official name of Uruguay? Eastern Republic of Uruguay, Western Republic of Uruguay, Northern Republic of Uruguay, or Southern Republic of Uruguay? C. Northern Republic of Uruguay. Final answer. Okay, correct. This is Eastern Republic of Uruguay. $2, please.